You may have the situation where you turn up to a customer's house to service or repair it, and they remark that the fact is that they've got a 30 kilowatt Combi boiler, but the hot water isn't really what they wanted, and the heating takes forever to warm up, because Combis are always hot water priority. The answer could be fitting a Danfoss S-plan. Here we've got one for the zone valve for the heating for the house, and one zone controlled by separate thermostats and timers for the extension. It could be a granny flat, home office, or maybe it's just a playroom. Then they've got the best of both worlds. They can have the instant side for the taps, and then they've got the heating side where they've got two extra zones, or one extra zone with the original one, and this will make life a lot easier. You'll learn how to wire this up. It's quite straightforward, very easy to be honest. For more information, have a look on the website mrcombi.com, pick a date, fill in a form and pay in the shop. If you're a corporate customer, which is somebody who employs 12 or more engineers, then contact me for a special course just for yourselves, which we call private training or corporate training, and we can also add features to suit you. Thank you for watching.